New competitors are entering the market for mobile gaming PCs in order to gain supremacy. Recently, Valve added an OLED display to their well-liked Steam Deck. Simultaneously, the OneXplayer 2 Pro has gained attention as a top-tier Windows portable gaming system. However, how does the OneXplayer 2 Pro for gamers on the run compare to the Steam Deck OLED? Let's examine this more closely. In terms of design, the Steam Deck features a distinctive ergonomically optimized shape that feels comfortable to grip for extended gaming sessions. Its balanced weight distribution offers an excellent overall handheld experience according to user reports. At 640 grams, the Steam Deck OLED shaves 29 grams off the original model for an even lighter feel. The OneXplayer 2 Pro utilizes a detachable split gamepad approach, reminiscent of the Nintendo Switch when in portable mode. While this offers some innovative modular capabilities, the heavier top-mounted display portion alone weighs 630 grams. Some users may prefer the balanced symmetrical controls of the Steam Deck, rather than the asymmetric portable mode of the OneXplayer 2 Pro. Both designs offer their advantages, but from a pure ergonomic standpoint for long-form portable play, many users find the Steam Deck's sculpted contours and balanced construction more ideal and comfortable. However, individual preferences and use cases may vary. The OneXplayer 2 Pro does present an innovative modular choice for handheld PC gaming as well. When it comes to the display, these two portable rigs take very different approaches. The Steam Deck OLED touts a 7-in panel leveraging OLED technology for its superb per-pixel illumination control and lighting quick response times. The smaller 1280 by 800 resolution is offset by the captivating colors and dark contrast of OLED plus high 90Hz refresh rates for smooth visuals. In contrast, the OneXplayer 2 Pro flaunts a broader 8.4-in LCD screen and higher 2560x16:0 resolution, taking advantage of its larger real estate for extra sharpness. However, without an OLED panel, the OneXplayer 2 Pro loses out on stunning contrast and true black representation. Its larger size unfortunately sticks to a fixed 60Hz refresh rate, so there are certainly some trade-offs here. The Steam Deck OLED provides a riveting portable OLED gaming experience, albeit at a lower resolution, while the OneXplayer 2 Pro counters with a pixel-packed LCD that trails behind in responsiveness, but pixel peepers and display purists will surely appreciate aspects of both these portable gaming handhelds. Advanced screens, even considering their different strengths. When it comes to sheer processing muscle, the OneXplayer 2 Pro doesn't hold back. It packs an impressive AMD Ryzen 7 7840U CPU, featuring the latest 4nm Gen 4 architecture, delivering a sizable real-world speed increase over what came before. Combine this CPU with integrated RDNA 3 graphics based on AMD's most advanced gaming GPU architecture today, and we have some serious portable pedigree that makes the OneXplayer 2 Pro closer to a gaming laptop compressed into a handheld design. By comparison, the Steam Deck feels almost antiquated with its Aerith APU, which cleverly combines older last-gen Zen 2 processing and RDNA to graphics. There's no doubt Valve designed its custom silicon for efficiency rather than peak performance. And while the Aerith APU seemed reasonably capable when it launched, the next-gen AMD silicon in the OneXplayer 2 Pro thoroughly outclasses Steam Deck chip. We can respect Valve's commitment to battery life, but there's simply no contest when it comes to speed. Both rigs offer 16 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM. But again, the 7500 MHz memory inside the OneXplayer 2 Pro gives it another leg up compared to the Steam Deck 6400 MHz modules. OneXplayer 2 Pro spares no expense when it comes to top-shelf gaming PC components miniaturized within an innovative handheld enclosure. The Steam Deck relies on its efficient chip and value price point, as the OneXplayer 2 Pro utterly dominates in raw specs for gamers who demand no compromises in portable power. OneXplayer 2 Pro is an uncompromising beast, while Steam Deck trades blows for battery longevity. But in most cases, FPS wins over longevity any day when it comes to choosing one package for high-fidelity mobile gameplay. The Steam Deck stands apart with its versatile Linux-powered SteamOS software environment, enabling capabilities beyond just Steam game support. Its open platform design allows added functionality like game emulation, along with the ability to install alternate game stores and operating systems without any hassle. This provides users exceptional flexibility compared to the OneXplayer 2 Pro running Windows 11. While Windows 11 Access ensures compatibility with popular PC game libraries, there are some limitations in customization. However, the OneXplayer 2 Pro does come with its customized game launcher that provides a polished interface optimized specifically for the device, still given its mostly locked-down OS experience contrasting the Steam Deck's versatile open canvas. Creative tinkerers may find more possibilities in Valve's replaceable software environment. Both devices leverage AMD hardware for AAA Windows' game compatibility, using Steam and other PC platforms. The OneXplayer 2 Pro does offer a clear performance advantage to push higher fidelity graphics in the latest title, but the Steam Deck counters with support for the immense Steam game catalog and Proton compatibility layer that effectively runs games built only for Windows without the need for an OS swap. While the OneXplayer 2 Pro controllers don't offer standalone use, the Steam Deck's built-in controls allow enjoying both retro games and AAA titles on one device, unless you perform advanced mods. This flexibility is missing on the OneXplayer 2 Pro. The seamless functionality across modern and classic gaming gives Valve another win. The OneXplayer 2 Pro currently starts at a lofty $999 MSRP for the base model. At the high end, you're looking at over $199. Without question, you're paying a premium for top-tier performance hardware. Meanwhile, the Steam Deck OLED maintains an affordable starting price of $549 and maxes out at $649 for the high-capacity 1TB model. Of course, there's an argument for justifying the OneXplayer 2 Pro steeper pricing through its advanced internals. That surpasses what Valve's custom Aerith APU can achieve. But for budget-focused mobile gamers, the Steam Deck undoubtedly provides outstanding value, even with its OLED upgrade premium over the LCD-based variant. The OneXplayer 2 Pro brings blistering fast next-gen AMD hardware and a gorgeous display that steamrolls the Steam Deck OLED in raw gaming metrics. However, Valve's proven handheld formula offers gamers excellent well-rounded ergonomics, software versatility, an unbeatable game catalog, and sensational value. So, while the OneXplayer 2 Pro takes the portable gaming crown for speed and visuals, the Steam Deck OLED still reigns supreme when factoring overall design, flexibility, and affordability into this rigorous showdown. Both premium handhelds have earned spots warming gamers' hands. But the Steam Deck balance of performance and value persists as a gold standard in mobile PC gaming. So, which one would you choose? Most valued handheld with an affordable price range, or a faster performance with a premium price range? Let us know in the comment below.